Check out that fog I'm about to drive into. Fog season. Hades. A little bit of fog. Fog in Utah. Fog. Foggy, foggy, and cold. Foggy. Not quite touching the ground, just hanging out right above. Wow, some serious fog. I just spilled coffee all over my fucking chest and legs. Today's the day I'm gonna give my 2 weeks notice. Fuck you, fog. Fuck you, coffee. Looks like some fog up ahead in the Sierras, huh? Fog up here in the mountains. This guy wants to drive like 35 in the fog. It's a little slow.